Hi friends, good morning. Wishing you all a very happy 75th Independence Day of India. So on this day, we are going to discuss a very important aspect of role play and role model as a today's topic. Um, so far, traditionally, we all know that uh, role play that every individual that we play from our birth to till the end of our life. That is, we used to be a child, then we used to go to the school, then we become the students, then we become an employee, then we will get married and we become husband or wife, then we become father, we become grandparents. Then that is the traditional way of what we all understand, what we all know, that what are all the roles that we play in our life. But there are very few people that they understand that every day in a 24 hours we play a different roles from 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. That is, in a complete day, dear friends, uh, we are playing the different roles, and that role is expected to play successfully. Otherwise, we may fail in that particular day, and later on it can cause a serious damage also. So that is my main intention, to make you all understand in this Govardhan Gita YouTube channel about how important is role play in our life, especially in a day-to-day life, in every day. That is what is my core interest actually. Otherwise, all of us know that in our life we play a different role and we try to play the role very sincerely and effectively. But many of us don't play that role to be played in every day, in every minute in our life. So that role play, if we play it properly, the day will be successful, and that will lead us to go for a good role model also. So, accordingly, dear friends, so when we get up in the morning, of course, every individual will be having your respective job and your responsibilities. So, the morning when you get up, and from 6 a.m., usually if we are expected to get up at 6 a.m., and 6 a.m. to till you sleep, then again you get up by next day morning 6 a.m. Dear friends, we play a different roles, and how many of us are understanding that role to play it properly. So the moment, suppose it is highly individualistic, this role play 24 by 7, I know it is very very highly individualistic. So the morning when we get up, and we will be at home, we will be at one phase of the time. During morning time we have to meet our family members, that is parents, then the wife, children, then we should get ready, then we should go to our office. And when we are going to the office, then that office, then you may be a boss or you may be an employee, you may be a worker, then you may meet your friends. That time you should play a role of a good friend. Then you may meet, like when you go out, you may meet some stranger, then you should play a role of a stranger. And then like that, the every day that one is expected to play a role very much sincerely, dear friends. So this is very very important for a successful completion of a day. Again and again I'm telling you. And how does that how do I play my role in 24 by 7? I wanted to give you an example, so that everybody can, you can plan your day, and you all can understand, is it so significant that role play in 24 by 7 is also important. So dear friends, so in our family we have 2 plus 1, myself, my wife and my only son. So the moment when I get up early morning, so I will be first I will be interacting with my wife. So wife will expect her husband to be her husband given quality time with the wife, the first person whom we, the moment when you open our eyes we see our wife, I see my wife. So in the given time she knows that I'm a completely busy person from morning to evening, because when I leave my home by 9 a.m. I come back to my home at 11 12 o'clock only. But my wife expectation is like in that time 6 a.m. to till I go to my office, the 2 hours or 3 hours I should give a quality time with her. So I should play, I should understand what is her expectation during that time, and I should maximum I always try to fulfill her wishes to being her wish of giving her a quality time. Then during that time I have to only one son I'm having, so I will be meeting my son also, and my son may have I have to see that what is his commitments in that day, and what is his expectation from me. Then I should also give some time to him, and I should follow him what he is doing, what is his today is going to be. So like that I plan in my home, then I get ready, then I go to my office. The moment when I go to my office, I on the way if I met any of my friends, maybe the colleagues, while going to the office, then if I go if I didn't give attention to the friends who are coming on the road, who are meeting me, and definitely they may feel that why Varadarajulu is so sincerely going, not bothering about. So that kind of worry feelings that they may develop. So I should give a 1 minute to them, quality 1 minute to them. Then I should talk with them, and I should say them, sir, I'm going to the office, so it's already time. So when I reach my office, then you all know that I heading the institution, I'm a principal of the college. Then the people are expecting me, I have to face from the attender to my immediate seniors, my immediate colleagues, senior colleagues. So for each and every person whomever I come across, and I should make sure myself that I'm giving the complete attention to that particular people whomever I'm coming across. So as a leader of the institution, I should play the role of a leader. As a equal colleagues, so I should I should play a role of a colleague. Then when suppose when I'm talking with my students, I'm a teacher, I'm talking with my students, then I should play as a good teacher. So like that every instant I used to play my role in a day. Then in between 11 to 1 I used to consult the patients. Then when I'm consulting the patient, I should play the role of a doctor. Then I should consult and treat and manage the patients. Then the evening, so once this is what is the duty timing. When I go to any of my superiors, then I am a subordinate and I am meeting my superior or the management. That time I should play the role of a subordinate. So like this the entire day goes. So if we all understand the limitations of each and every role that we play, and the freedom and the limitations, if we all understand, then definitely we can give justice to the play role that we play every day. So dear friends, don't think that role play is only it is a lifetime role that we play. That is a traditional way of understanding the role play, that is the child, then the father, grandfather, like this. No, every day also this is very very important, and we have to play the role sincerely so that that day will be successful. Saying you this, and you all of you understand this, that this role play is very very important, and take an ideal role model to each and every time that even in your role play that you are playing in 24/7 also, so that you all will be successful. And with this I conclude today's topic, and meet you in next week. Thank you very much, one and all.